Oak Ridge Water Damage Repair. We provide fast, reliable water damage restoration done right in Oak Ridge, Florida. Washing machine overflow, pipe burst, water heater leak. Unfortunately, water damage disasters do happen in Oak Ridge, Florida. If you experience water damage in your home, who would you call? Homeowners in Oak Ridge trust the experts at Orlando Service Pros for immediate response. Our certified technicians can handle all aspects of water damage, sewage damage, and mold, and our work is guaranteed. We are standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to get your home or business back to normal quickly, safely, and with professional care. Orlando Service Pros provides start-to-finish water damage restoration services in Oak Ridge and all surrounding Central Florida areas. Hopefully, you'll never need us. But if a disaster does strike, remember to call Orlando Service Pros at 407-630-9691, or you can visit us at our website, orlandoservicepros.com. We provide fast, reliable water damage restoration done right in Oak Ridge, Florida.